The number of pixels determines quality. A 12-megapixel camera can produce an image of this size. 50 megapixel, this big. 108 megapixel would be this big, and this big for 200 megapixel. Why does a higher pixel count matter? It's all in the details. In an ultra-high-resolution photo, you will see each strand of fur down to the individual whiskers captured. You might think, I don't need such detailed images for social media, but is your photo always perfect? You may have more than your subject in the shot, or you were too far away. That's where cropping matters. But while resizing reduces quality, the more the pixels you start with, the image remains high quality. Samsung's ISOCELL has a specially designed pixel structure. It's small, but mighty. You can capture more light in the dark. When it's dark, up to 16 pixels can be grouped together to act as one single large pixel, greatly improving quality and clarity. When it's bright, you can get even more detail. An immense resolution is great, but worried about file size? With the evolution of storage, you don't need to be. Plus, 200 megapixel image sensor also can produce smaller yet high-quality images. Ready to capture your epic moments with ultra-high resolution. More pixels, epic details.